Think along. Which rooster should go on the pedestal? This video presents some ideas and methods for dealing with history and memory in public spaces politically and artistically that are suitable for all age groups. Not creative? Remember that anything can be used artistically. Mason's twine, scraps of fabric, leaves, knickknacks, or your own body. But what kinds of smaller or larger monuments can you find in villages and rural areas? You will probably find stones whose inscriptions have become illegible. Paper and crayons are then a quick help. Lay paper or canvas over the grainy surface and rub it with a crayon or charcoal. This helps to reveal the stone's secret. Only then can you start working with it. You will probably find a war memorial in your village. Here you see an ensemble of several war memorials. They are dedicated to the soldiers of the First World War, those who fought in various battles in the 19th century, and the victims of the Second World War. And in a somewhat remote part of the cemetery, you will even find another memorial to 19 Soviet citizens. A great opportunity for a discussion about our culture of remembrance. And you will discover much more at a cemetery. Here you see a special gravestone for an important person. It is typical of its time, but today it no longer receives the attention it deserves. How would you draw more attention to it? This is one idea from our workshop. If you don't find any monuments in your village, there are still streets and their stories. Here, we read Helgolandstrasse and think of summer holidays on the island Helgoland in the North Sea. Is that what the builders had in mind? The streets nearby remind us of Königsberg and Danzig. Today, these are cities in Russia and in Poland. A simple road sign, but a good opportunity to refresh our knowledge from history lessons. You may find works of art in your village. Then try to interact with it. Even a church window can provide inspiration for a performance in which the postures reflect the patterns of the window. These are just some of the ways in which you can engage creatively with monuments and history in public spaces. What other examples can you think of? Send your ideas to info@nordsee-akademie.de.